Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FBS. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FBS was founded in 2009 and serves over 17 million clients from 150 countries around the world. FBS offers a wide selection of trading instruments, including forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Their website offers a user-friendly layout that is easy to navigate. You can find everything you need directly from the menu bar at the top of the page, and all important information such as payment methods, account types, and trading benefits are displayed on the homepage. You can easily find all the trading instruments on offer by selecting the Trading section of the menu bar and clicking on the instrument you wish to trade. Their accounts feature Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, a crypto account, and a demo account. The Cent account is essentially a low-risk trading account on which the balance is displayed in cents, and transactions are carried out in cents also, which means that if you deposit $10, you will have 1,000 cents in your account. The minimum deposit on their Cent account is $1. The micro account assists traders in calculating their profits more accurately with a wide range of tools. With an initial deposit of $5, the micro account provides traders with FBS's best bonuses. It has a fixed spread of 3 pips and works best for those who want to gain experience and master their trading strategies. Their standard account provides traders with a more traditional and conventional trading experience. Their standard account's minimum deposit is $100 and offers ultra-competitive spreads. Their Zero Spread account features no spread, and trading with zero spread will let you increase your profits and make a more precise forecast on your revenues. The Zero Spread account has a minimum deposit of $500 and offers traders the leverage of up to 1 to 3,000 and 200 open positions. Their ECN account is a popular choice for advanced and professional traders. The electronic communication network allows buyers and sellers to trade directly without any middlemen. It has an initial deposit of $1,000, a maximum leverage of up to 1 to 500, and also features an endless number of open positions and pending orders. Their crypto account provides over 100 instruments with digital currencies. Traders can trade in some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital coins. The crypto account has an initial deposit of $1 and leverage of up to 1 to 5. Crypto trading is also available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FBS Trader platform. The FBS Trader platform provides progressive functions of the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can enjoy daily technical and fundamental analysis data that is streamed into the news section, and together with over 50 technical indicators, one-click trading, and no limitations, the FBS Trader platform is an all-in-one trading platform application, giving you access to the world's most wanted trading instruments directly from your mobile device. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 feature more than 41 tools, currency pairs, CFDs, and futures. You can use the same login data to enter all platforms. You have access to full functional expert advisors, one-click trading and embedded news, 3 types of charts, virtual private server, service support, and more. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are the world's most powerful trading platforms, and is available on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS mobile platforms. Opening an account with FBS is simple and easy. First, select Open Account from the top right of their homepage. Next, fill in your personal information, and then click Register as Trader. Your account credentials will then be sent to your email address. You can then decide on the trading platform you would like to use. In our case, we went with MetaTrader 4. Log in with the credentials sent to your email address on your preferred platform. And we're in. This is the FBS MetaTrader 4 terminal. In the center of the screen you have your graph, on the left your market watch and a variety of tools at the top of the screen. If you would like to learn more about MetaTrader 4, FBS provides a variety of video tutorials that cover platform functionality to help you get started. With regards to educational resources and tools, FBS provides a market news and analysis panel that features a variety of written trading content. Forex TV, which is a quick and informative market overview and trade ideas video series where you can look at webinars and keep up to date on the latest trading plans. Their Forex guidebook features beginner, elementary, intermediate and experienced trading guides that delve into topics from what is Forex, calculating your profits, how to open a trade in MetaTrader, to Fibonacci tools, trading psychology, and more. Their Forex educational videos cover topics such as introductions and any information that you might need to help you get started. With video lessons for beginners, MetaTrader tutorials, platform functionality with the FBS Trader application, and more. You can register to participate in their webinars or seminars. And they also offer an economic calendar that provides you with up-to-date information on currencies and stocks, with indications of what events take place where and when. For the years in operation, FBS has received over 30 international awards that recognize them as a transparent broker with the best customer service and some of the most rewarded brands worldwide. Some of their more recent awards include the Best Forex Broker by Smart Vision Investment 2020, the Best Social Trading Application by Global Banking and Finance, the Best Forex Broker in Asia of 2020 by CFI, the Best Forex Broker in Thailand of 2021, the Best Trading Broker of Southeast Asia, as well as the Best Mobile Copy Trading Application and the Best Mobile Trading Platform in Europe by the European Global Banking and Finance Awards of 2021, and many, many more. With FBS, you can rest assured that your investments are in good hands. With several top-tier regulations, over 500 million USD traded every month, and more than 17 million clients, we recommend FBS to advanced traders seeking access to the MetaTrader platforms and all the innovative trading tools provided. But it is also suitable for inexperienced traders who are trading for the first time and need educational resources and guidance. FBS offers everything you could possibly need as a trader and provides flexible account types with competitive trading conditions. This broker has received over 30 commendable awards, and that should speak for itself. And that is our overview of FBS. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.